So I've been working on a custom leather cross-draw holster for this Taurus Judge, and as I've been working on it and test fitting it, the front sights have kind of come apart a little bit. So I'm going to try to fix those today. Stick around and I will show you how I'm going to get that done. So here's the problem. As you can see, the front sight here slides out of the housing, and that's no good. It's not going to work like that. So I'm going to need to fix that, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take this wood burning iron and just touch it to the back of the sight here. Kind of see if that's going to work. Try that again. And the idea here is to get the back of this orange post to mushroom out a little bit to keep it from sliding out of the housing there. I think that's going to work. Looks pretty good. And that's exactly how the front part of the sight is held in as well. Give you a close-up there, and you can see the back is mushroomed just like the front now. And hopefully that will prevent it from sliding out until I get a chance to replace this sight with an actual quality sight. Let's take a look at the back here. You can see everything's clear. There's no burn marks on the back of the sight. Everything looks good, still clear. And again, this is a pretty easy temporary fix. Well, if you're having a similar problem, hopefully this video gave you some insight in how to fix your front sights on your Taurus Judge. If it did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.